everyone, this is Noise Bomb here. This is just a little bit of an introduction video to the channel or whatever. As you can see, what I ride is a DRZ 400 SM, a very fucking loud one at that. Let's see if we can get this guy ready. Here we go. I fucking love this bike. Alright, so yeah, it's a bit of an introduction video for you guys. I'm gonna put up some videos soon about some just shit. Kind of just making this channel just have some fun, have a couple laughs. Not super into kind of serious vlogs and shit like that. Just kind of just a montage of me just fucking around on the DRZ, going up to the mountains like I'm doing right now, and just, I don't know, going off road, just doing stupid shit really, as you do when you're on a motard. Fuckhead's coming. Are you going? No, you're not. Alright. Oh, I love that sound. I'll put some videos up soon for you guys about showing the actual bike, whatever, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I got a go-kart video from a while ago that I want to put up. Should be some bit of fun. And that's just kind of an example of how I want to kind of edit my videos. Just kind of little funny montage kind of thing. Fucking subtitles and shit. If anyone watching this doesn't like swearing, doesn't like the C word, doesn't like the F word, the S word, any of that kind of stuff, I'm going to warn you now. I swear like a sailor. Like I really do. But if you're into kind of a young man getting mad at shit, swearing at people, you know, that kind of thing, those kind of things, I don't know. Give me a watch in the near future. Have some stuff coming out soon of me just swearing at other motorists and just yelling at people and just getting mad inside my own little world in my helmet. Yeah. I've also got a couple videos to show you guys how to do some stuff with the DRZ that I've learned recently, such as changing over exhaust systems and mud guards, blah blah blah, and oil change and all that fun shit. And yeah. So yeah guys, if you're interested, have a watch in the near future. If you're not interested, don't watch I suppose, but yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, bye.